Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. Today I'm going to show you the fastest way to find a square of 3-digit number ending with 5 in a very short time. Welcome to Vedic Mathematics. Today I will show you that shortcut. Here we have only one condition. Our number must end with 5. Let's direct go to the method how we are going to find the square. We're going to find the square of 125. That means we are going to take 125 multiplied by 125. Now, the last 2 digits to the right is going to be filled by taking square of 5. That is taking 5 multiplied by 5, which you're going to get 25. The last 2 digits is filled by 25. The remaining digits, they are going to be filled by taking 12 multiplied by, in the bracket, 12 plus 1. That is 12 multiplied by, in the bracket, 12 plus 1. This is 12 multiplied by 13, which will give us 156. The 3 digit to the left is filled by 156. So, the answer of 125 multiplied by 125 is the same as taking 5 multiplied by 5. We are going to get the first 2 digits to the right, and then the remaining digits we are going to take by taking 12 multiplied by 13. That's simple. We are going to get 156, which give our answer as 15,625. Since already we understand the method, now let's do this question very fast. 5 times 5, it is 25. 11 times 12, it is 132. That is how fast you can do. You see, it is very easy and it is very fast. Hope you understand how to do it. You can comment below the answer of 105 multiplied by 105. That is a square of 105. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.